The short time-lapse that you just saw was me getting ready to build another copy of the BNSF locomotive right here. I want to build another one of these. I already told you that in a couple of my videos, and I want to start that today. I'm not going to finish it today because that would take me too much time, and I will be really happy if I can copy the base of the thing and the front. If I can do that in this video, I'm going to be really happy. If I can't, that's still not really bad. So wish me good luck and let's roll the tape. Hello guys, I hope that you are having a great day. So I just finished copying the locomotive and right now I have two BNSF locomotives and I'm really happy that I have two. So this is going to be the last update for a long time because the Bricklink order is delayed. I don't want to order the parts now because if they close the borders of my country, the parts will get stuck in shipping and I don't want to lose the expensive parts, so I'm not going to order parts right now. I will order them when coronavirus finally ends, but till then I'm not going to buy the part. But don't worry, I will start other projects and I have an idea what's going to come next after this BNSF locomotive, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those, and let's see these trains running around for the first time because I never saw them running around like this, so I hope that it works. No, it derailed. Okay, I can fix that, that's an easy fix. So I fixed it, it was an easy fix, but I needed both of my hands for it. Something already broke, that's not good, but it's not the motors, so yeah, this thing can run and I see what broke off. This railing broke off because the wire isn't long enough. I will do something about that off camera. So I hope that you can hear my voice. So I'm missing a lot of 1x6 black tiles for the roof of the thing, and I'm missing a lot of pieces for this, but it will get finished and I think that this is nice, and I'm going to stop this right now. So if you haven't watched the first two videos, you don't know how many motors are inside this. So this train has two XL motors and this train has two XL motors as well. So this is a beast. It has 4 XL motors in it. But right now I run out of tactic gears, so only this motor in the front is pulling the thing. This motor, and this motor aren't doing anything because of that. So one Lego XL motor in the slowest speed can pull the train, and I think that that's really impressive, and that's why I really like the XL motors, because it's a beast. So the Lego train motor isn't that powerful because this is over 1 kilograms. I will measure it later, but this is well over 1 kilograms. I think that it is 1.5 kilograms, and the maximum that a Lego train motor can pull is around 900 grams or maybe 1 kilogram, but that's all that it can pull. This thing can pull anything and it can work with only one motor, but when I will have all the motors running, this will be a beast that can pull anything. So yeah. I think that this is the end of the video. You saw this string running around the track for a little bit, but I think that was enough. You watched me copy the train, so I hope that you enjoyed the time-lapse. If you enjoyed the time-lapse, leave a comment on the video that says that I like the time-lapse, because I want to hear what you think about it. Should I keep the time lapses, or I shouldn't? I should just show the finished products, or what should I do? So leave a comment on the video, and like it if you like it, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and keep on building.